Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today the Neakasa M1 open top self-cleaning cat litter box. This is an amazing design and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, getting into all the different features, demoing it for you, so let's get started. To begin, I want to talk setup. So easy, and I reviewed a fair number of other self-cleaning cat litter boxes. This one is very simple. Essentially, you just remove it from the packaging. It's already pre-assembled. You'll just attach the support legs, throw down this cat litter mat. There are some adhesive strips, by the way, so you can ensure it doesn't slip around. And then come here to your waste drawer, attach the bag. Don't worry, by the way, you'll get the complete instructions for exactly how to do it. But essentially, you just wrap it around the edges, leaving one edge open and not hooked over it, and then stick this little loop right through this piece, as you can see. So then once it fills up, all you have to do is pull on the loop and you'll see the whole thing will just wrap right up. It's super nice, and I really appreciate how this waste drawer is equipped for total odor control. There is a gel filter system within it that helps to minimize and reduce any possible chance of odor, and completely leak proof, so it will be completely clean. And of course, will be entirely sealed off, keeping that waste all separated and tucked away. And then just plug it in. Port is over here on the side, fill it with litter. You'll see some max lines in here. And let me tell you, there are seriously so many advantages to having a litter box like this with an open top design. For one, it could be a lot easier for your cat to become more acquainted with it more quickly and just overall feel more comfortable about it. That's the same way my cat is. I've had some enclosed litter boxes in the past and it takes her a lot more time to get used to them and feel comfortable. This way, it's also easier for you to monitor too. You'll always see what's going on, and total peace of mind for you as well as perhaps for your fur baby. It's got an anti-pinch design, so no dealing with sensors and monitors and stuff like that, because it just moves back. You don't have to worry about your cat at all. And let me tell you, and you'll see, but my cat is absolutely obsessed with self-cleaning litter boxes once they do that self-cleaning part of the process. Like, she wants to come up and see exactly what's happening. And other litter boxes that have those sensors, they'll stop, but then the litter box never gets cleaned and she won't leave. So this design, honestly, perfect for her. And honestly, the only real downside could be potentially odors. But again, not something you have to worry about with that waste drawer that is perfectly equipped for total odor control. And allowing you to go entirely scoop free. The waste drawer has a capacity of 7 liters, and the litter box itself can hold up to 11 liters. So plenty of room, plenty of storage space. Can also accommodate cat weights of up to 15 kilograms, which is a little over 30 pounds. But basically, it could go up to 14 days without you having to intervene at all. Totally maintenance free, hands off. Not to mention, super easy to clean as well. The pieces can all be detached and wiped down if you ever need to. Plus, suitable for all cat breeds. And I just love this open top. So does my cat. She just loves a more open environment overall. And I love being able to have a total visual of her. Not to mention, super easy to control using the included app. I was able to connect it right away, and I can monitor the working records for my cat, as well as see her usage frequency and cleaning times, and control all the different functions right from the app, like calibrating it, leveling, and cleaning the litter box. And adjust a variety of different settings, so it's completely customizable to your preferred situation. And button functionality, so we've got our power button, our clean button, level button, empty litter button, and the Wi-Fi button for connecting to the app. And I am so excited to do a quick demo for you. My cat loves this litter box. Meet my baby Mochi. She is 9 pounds. It is perfect for her. And you'll see just how comfortable she is in it. And I've got it set so it'll clean within the next minute. self-clean, and I am sure you saw just how obsessed my cat was with this litter box. So seriously, the Neakasa M1, if you are looking for an automatic cat toilet, this should be your go-to for an open top design. So make sure to check it out, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Head down to the description box for the link and discount code to grab your own and make scooping a thing of the past.